Agrispread is a manufacturing engineering company based in the west of Ireland. We manufacture a range of trail fertiliser and lime spreaders, as well as our twin vertical beater rear discharge spreaders. In 2009 we saw that there was no manufacturers of fertiliser and lime trail spreaders in the UK and Ireland. This is something that we focused on and developed over 3 to 4 years. We started with the Irish market, we developed slowly into the UK market, and now we have a worldwide distribution.
I'm Sam Abbott and I'm the National Dealer Support and Customer Service Manager for Waringa Distribution, based in Perth, Western Australia. So we got started about 4 years ago now when we were looking at a new fertiliser spreader for the farm. We looked around in the market and saw what the market had to offer, and we felt that there was definitely something better out there.
They were looking for an advanced and precise spreader to work in with the farming systems that we were using. So they heard about the Agrispread, they went over and did some testing for 3 or 4 days with the spreaders, made a few changes to suit our environment, and then basically bought some in. Initially there was 8 machines that we bought in for people in our area and ourselves, and from those 8 machines we got a bit of support from a few dealers in our area, and from there we've established a dealer network and kept growing.
We now have an assembly facility on the ground, we have a spare parts facility, we have over 35 dealers throughout Western, Southern and Eastern Australia, and slowly moving into other states. I think some of the main success has come to Agrispread by us dealing one-to-one with some of the biggest operators in the world. I feel that the feedback we get from them has kept us ahead of the game, developing what these customers require.
It's been really important to the Agrispread product in Australia that we've been able to customise to suit our conditions, as obviously our conditions on farm are very different to what they have in Ireland.
Some of the major changes that were required for the Australian market was the controlled traffic farming. It's a system that is used by a lot of farmers in Australia. It's whereby they try to get all their implements on the same track widths.
Everyone's on 3 metre wheel centres. Spread a lot of urea, and we try to spread that as wide as possible. We're out at 36 metres now, which is 120 foot, which is very important for urea. Being able to stick to that controlled traffic is very important.
Some recent developments have been the development of our wind booms. A major issue in Western Australia is wind conditions, being able to spread their lime sand throughout the day when they need to spread it.
You get a lot of very strong winds in the afternoon, and being able to maintain that width was very hard to do without the booms. So this way you can spread in 35-40 km/h winds and maintain your 12 metres again, or your 13.6 for your controlled traffic system. Yeah, we came up with a really good design, and our customers love them. So very, very happy with them.
The other major changes and requirements for the Australian market was the GPS control, section control, border spreading, mapping, guidance. This is something that we've developed over the last 6 years with our UK supplier. This has been a major asset to the company here, as it's brought us into markets like North America, France, Germany and now South Africa. Precision farming is the way things are going, and it's where we are at the forefront.
So we've been working with Agrispread for the last 5 years now, and in those 5 years the technology level with both the spreader and the electronics has grown massively. In the latest version of their technology, which is now an isobus ECU, we've developed a range of different monitoring and control functions. So we control the spinner speed, we control the belt speed in order to monitor the application rate. But also there are a number of new developments in the pipeline, which both of our R&D departments have been busy working on, and we look forward to seeing those in the near future.
The Agrispread brings simplicity, which is a huge one in the farming game. A lot of machines these days are overcomplicated, and you can spend more time trying to set them up than you can actually using them.
In the last 4 years we've been on an incredible journey with the guys from Ireland. They're a family business and we're a family business, so we understand each other's goals. We look forward to having a future with them and both growing together.
When we started this business in 2006, I don't think we would have believed where we've come in a short 10 years. We've gone from a 2,000 square foot building to a 40,000 square foot production facility, state-of-the-art shop blasting room, state-of-the-art paint facilities. We've gone from 4 employees to over 40. We have a great team behind us that we've developed over the years. We've made some great relationships with our partners overseas. I believe if we continue on this path, we will be a world leader in the products we manufacture.